Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pizza sauce at home. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 28 ounces of canned crushed tomatoes, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a blend of Italian herbs. A pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a half teaspoon of sugar will perfect the flavor. This recipe is incredibly easy and yields enough sauce for 2 large pizzas, ensuring a fresh, vibrant taste every time. Let's get cooking. First, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, but don't let it brown. Next, pour in your 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Stir everything together, bringing it to a gentle simmer. This initial step sets the foundation for a rich and aromatic sauce, ready for your favorite pizza crust. Now it's time to infuse our sauce with incredible flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Add a half teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes, along with salt and pepper to taste. Let the sauce simmer gently for another 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. This slow simmer is key to a truly delicious sauce. Once your homemade pizza sauce has reached your desired consistency and flavor, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This cooling step is important before storing. You can transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next pizza night. For longer storage, freeze the sauce in small portions for up to 3 months. Enjoy your fresh, flavorful, and easy-to-make pizza sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.